Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the significance of the simple, easy and quick color test in maintaining our health. See, basically color tests can be very useful in all the three areas of our life, that is health, wealth and relationship. But in this video today specifically we are going to talk about the role of color tests in keeping good health, or what is the solution of various discomforts with the help of color tests. Now see, the basic root cause why color tests can help us to understand the root cause of various discomforts on health level, or what is the exact relationship between the color test and body diseases. So the key factor for the color test is understanding the emotions which is contributing to various problems on health, wealth and relationship areas. See, we all know emotions play a very significant role in our well-being. Now let me give you one example. In today's scenario, if we just look around, we see diabetes is one of the diseases which affects lot many people. But still, how many people really understand what is a core emotion which is leading to diabetes? And how many people, after understanding those core emotions, they are able to take those preventive measures which will help them to avoid these kind of diseases? I feel this is one core area which is leading to more problems for lot many other people. So what is lacking is the awareness about the exact correlation between that specific emotion which is leading to diabetes. And color test is one tool which helps you to identify the exact emotion which is leading to diabetes. So once we are able to locate a specific emotion which is leading to diabetes problem, it becomes very easy for us to focus on that particular emotion in order to eliminate that problem. And in case if we don't have that specific information or that clarity, we tend to get lost and we get confused. Now what needs to be done? So color test just gives you a absolute clarity. What emotion is there? Which behavior is there? And what is the root cause for this? And how to overcome this issue. So what else we want? We go to doctor because we are not able to understand clearly, okay, what is the root cause, what needs to be done. But now what is happening is people don't want to get into all those intricacies. People don't want to identify the root cause. They are willing to pay huge amount of money, go to doctor and do all those kind of things, but they are not willing to take the simple easy step which can prevent these kind of diseases at the early stage itself. See, the color test will not only solve your problems, it will also give you the absolute clarity which will help you to understand the root cause of this issue, which will protect your next generation also from this disease. Why? Simply because you know the root cause. Once you know the root cause, it becomes very easy for you to take the preventive measures. Now, normally what we do is, we are aware, okay, now this particular disease is very threatening. So we go for two options. We take out those insurance policies, health insurance policy, and we feel relaxed. Now I have taken care of this. This is not a preventive measure. This is a corrective measure. Now, why do I say this is a corrective measure? It's not a preventive measure. It's simply because you are not still attacking the main problem. You are not touching the core issue. What is the main issue which is leading to this issue of diabetes? Once you have that clear understanding, so you work on that real root cause. You don't work for this life insurance policies, or you don't go to some medical treatment. That comes a corrective measure. Preventive measure is understand the root cause, what leads to this, and start working on it so that this particular problem should not arise itself. And once you have taken all these preventive measures, your next generation is also protected from this. But we take a lot of pride in saying that no, this has been existing for so many generations in my family. This is simply an excuse not to work on your problems and live in a comfort zone. You don't want to change. That's simple. When this particular problem happens, I'll go to doctor, I'll blame the rest of the people, life, God, everyone, except me. You don't want to work on yourself. And that is the reason I feel it's a blessing. The huge cost of medication is a blessing, because it forces people to look for the alternate options which are much simple, easy and quick also, and more effective. And this will not only help them, but it will help their next generations also. So in fact, this is the best thing a responsible person can do for his family, by protecting the entire generation. So friends, this is the beauty of color test. Now you will have to experience it. So in case if you are interested in learning this color test course, or you want to know yourself with the help of signature analysis and color test analysis, which will give you a very detailed analysis about your own behavior, emotions, and what is the root cause for it and what is the solution for this, then please do connect with me. Thank you so much. Take care.